1 week, an AI crash. The next week, a complete recovery. Let's take a look at the action. This is TLDR Stocks, where I compress a week's worth of trading action financial news in just a few minutes. Here is my favorite technical indicator presenter, stock trading above the 50 moving averages. I like to call AT54 above the 50. This is actually not the major news this week. It hung in there. It's still in that trading zone, but it's almost on a breakout. And that breakout will be so important because right overhead is that 70% overbought threshold that gives me so much problems, gave me so much problems in the past. But let's take a look at the indices. S&P 500, straight up, right through that 7,500 wall, all-time high. NASDAQ, straight up, not at the all-time high, so that's the laggard on a technical basis, but still, it's over. Its primary downtrend is just about over. And IWM, the ETF of small caps, straight up, new all-time highs. And because I continue to do my weekly trades on that one with the call options, that was a really big winner for me last week. All right, let's take a look at some individual charts. I think Palantir here is right there in the middle between AI and software. Huge post-earnings surge. It's broken out. It's looking good. It tapped its 200-day moving average as support on the way to another breakout. Palantir jumped over 20% post earnings. It settled back down to 200-day moving average support and then popped up again. It is symbolic of everything that was the AI recovery. Caterpillar, honorary member of the AI trade, it gapped up post earnings right to 50-day moving average resistance, but it's fading down, so it's not really participating. Arista Networks jumped to post earnings an all-time high, but it's faded back and lost all those gains. Not sure it's part of the recovery yet. Applied Optoelectronics, it defied my expectations. It's overcome the topping pattern, 45% gain in the last week, and that's only just to recover what it lost in July. ATI, specialty metals maker, it bounced perfectly off the 50-day moving average support, gave me the buy signal. I rode it through the earnings. All-time highs, looking good. Cohere, gotta love that 50-day moving average breakout, but earnings are coming. I'm gonna be watching. Amazon, the post-earnings play worked out. It's a little bit more complicated than usual. You have to read the blog. One of my favorite AI plays. I'm not in it now, but it had a fantastic recovery from the post-earnings plunge and the AI crash, and now it's in recovery mode, but still not totally recovered. And Team, great week, 35% post-earnings gain. It validated and proved out my PAIROS framework, PAIROS. You're gonna have to look it up on Google. And this was my biggest winner, maybe of the entire year. And keep watching, keep reading to see more of these kinds of moves and trades.